Hey guys, we just got to the trailhead here. We're gonna do a day hike, and then we're gonna spend the night next to the lake. We're expecting, what does it say? I throw 3 to 5. What did you see?
2 to 3 feet.
Okay, so we're gonna say maybe a foot, 6 inches to a foot is what they're saying. Hopefully it's only 3 inches because I don't want to drive in this weather. But if we get 2 feet,
But we do want to sleep in it.
it will be nice. We have the same setup as last time with the hot tent, and we got some new gear to test out as well. So,
And we're looking for some chaga today. That's on the menu for tonight. We're looking for some wild edibles.
he's looking for some wild edibles. I probably won't indulge in those. We're doing a little gear review right now. I have a brand new pair of Neos on.
I got the $400 scrap mountaineering boots on.
So we're gonna see whose feet are warmer. These are also insulated. So yeah, the first thing we're gonna do before we even put the packs on and go to our site is, what do you got for time? Like noon? 11:30?
11:30.
Yeah, 11:20. We're gonna go for a hike. There's a mountain next to this lake, so we're gonna try to climb that. And if anything interesting happens, we'll pick back up.
Oh, hey, what do we got here? Well, not chaga. It's not chaga. Well, this is club moss. It's not a fern, but it looks like one. But it's a moss. It's called club moss. Well, here's everybody's favorite tree, the birch tree. There is no chaga on here, but we're gonna take some of this bark though. We're just gonna take it like this. We're not gonna cut it because that hurts the tree. Got a good amount of birch bark here. No need to cut the tree because that hurts the tree. So yeah, this will be good for fires or, you know, teas or whatever.
Look at this. It looks like we found the campsite. I don't think we'll be staying here. No, it's not a campsite. No camping. Definitely no camping. You think there's enough ice to walk across?
Probably not.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Probably the smartest thing you've said all day.
Well,
What do you think?
haven't found the campsite yet. Those rocks over there look good, but
I might want to stay there, yeah. Do you think that's the mountain? I don't know, it looks pretty steep.
that's probably it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we could go over there, but you know, we have to. It's like an extra mile, and which is fine.
Over by the rock?
Yeah, but then walking back, you know, you want to do it? You want to just say fuck the mountain and get the bags and head over there now? Looks pretty nice.
Do you want to?
It's
Save
up
them
to
all
you.
for another day?
It's up to you. We could.
I mean, you really wanted to climb the mountain.
Yeah, I did, but
Getting camp set up and starting some lunch and doing a little bushcraft sounds good too, though.
yeah, you know,
We could save the mountain for another day.
Yeah, and that does look like a really nice camp. It looks like it's got a very nice view too, which is nice. But
Out by that rock, does what you want to do that?
yeah, we can do that.
Little change of plans.
That's
Let's
what
do it.
happens out here.
Let's do it. So here's the thing. This big rock and that clearing to the left of the rock was our destination. The issue is, we told our emergency contacts we'd be back in service by 11 a.m. The only issue I'm seeing is if we sleep till 8 or 9, then we get up, we pack everything away, and we hike back. We need to be back in service before 11. So if we actually get this 2 feet of snow, hiking back is going to be a pain. So there is something to be said about stopping and making camp right here so we have time to get back. And I think we should ponder that for a little while.
Yeah, it's getting pretty cold. We're starting to see the first few flakes too, so we might just start collecting wood now too. So, you know, plans change out here.
Plans changed. What do we got for time?
12:30.
Yeah, just about. And we get dark at 4:30, so we might be hunkering down a little bit closer than we thought, but it's gonna be fine. So this is nice. You found a good spot. We can probably fit the tent right here, and we can.
Ice check.
Yeah, good idea. Okay, I don't know if I got that all, but there's a lot of ice actually. Now we have drinking water.
Yeah. Yeah.
All
right, let's set up here side.
So we're gonna process this up, split it up, block it off, and we'll have wood for the night. Yeah, show you guys the a little more of a setup of how we're gonna sleep tonight. How do you want your bag, dude?
Set up however you want, and then I'll just find a spot there too.
I'll put the stove in first. Then we'll get the sleeping bag lofted.
I could definitely go for a burger.
That's what I'm saying, dude. We'll have so much more energy to cut wood after lunch.
I feel like you're rushing it now, and you're not gonna get it because you're rushing.
I mean, I can get it. Like, I can literally start this thing right now. Fat wood.
These are nice little bundles here.
Will those burn?
No. Well, couldn't find any chaga, unfortunately. I thought I did, but I wasn't 100% sure, so I didn't take it.
Here, I'll put you in the frame.
Oh yeah. But we got in here's some pine needle and birch bark tea. Then in here we've got the pan seasoned with butter and garlic and onions, and then we got a burger in there. And a little bit of this. You know what's in here. It's that pepper, salt, Old Bay, garlic, onion, all of that good stuff. And yeah, it's a little bit of lunch.
Nice. I would say, hold on a second. Jenny lights today. I would say, my friend, this one is well deserved. Cheers. I don't do what I do with mine is because my New Year's resolution is to be more organized. So what I've been doing is every time I get an idea of something I want to do after. Now that's good water to drink. You can bring that in the tent and drink it. Yeah.
You can take a ladder and put it, like, step in between it and carry it on your waist. That's what they do when there's like ice crevasses.
Are you gonna do a boot review on your boots too? You said you were going to.
Did I?
Yeah, when we first walked out here.
Yeah, but I'm not moving.
Okay, boot review on these Neos.
Oh, so it's a Neo review.
Well, it's just I use them for the first time. Here's how they worked. And the answer is goddamn great. My feet are completely warm and dry. Oh yeah, that's nice. Definitely recommend. How does your feet work?
Well, let me tell the camera if I'm going to tell you.
Look at that, guys. Best hiking boots I've ever worn.
Great hiking boots, yeah. Good stuff right there. Mountaineering boots. And let me just say, these are very nice. Very nice here.
Can't be better than Neos. Neos are overshoes.
Well, these are basically
Well, you got the same thing, basically like with Neos.
2 pairs of shoes.
You got just like Neos.
You got these, and then if we go up here, thick pair of wool socks, thin pair of wool socks,
Ooh.
base layer.
Oh wow, his feet are bone dry.
My feet are bone dry, and not only that, but just very comfortable.
Yeah.
I can go for many more miles, but we had to stop here because
No, don't say it.
we had to carry 30 years. Hey there, welcome back.
He goes.
We're start now. Hey there, welcome back. Well, we're pretty tucked in and we're going for the night, so just gonna get started on dinner here. See what we got. I got some stuff for a stew. I'm gonna do 2 stews. I'm gonna do one right now, quick little more substantial one, and later in the night when I'm hungry, I'm gonna have a smaller, easier stew. But just thought I'd take you along for the ride when I cook this. So, big old bag of rice here. So, just in this here, we're gonna get a little bit of rice going. Not all of it. Right here is the bag. I'm gonna just pinch off like a third of it, and then the rest I'm gonna dump in. And now, don't be mistaken, this is instant rice, so this is gonna cook quickly, which is what we want. So there's the rice, and to that we're gonna add some water. I'm warm, I'm comfortable. Well, we've added some water to our instant rice here. You know, it's good. So we're just gonna put that on and get that going. Give it a little stir every now and then.
What was that? Your sleeping bag liner?
It's my sleeping bag liner, and I just kind of cut it up a little bit and made it into a little poncho. I never used it as a sleeping bag liner, but I use it a lot more how I cut it up and made it into a poncho. So.
What did you use the last time? Did you have a liner?
Last time I just used my sleeping bag. I didn't use a liner.
No liner?
No liner. So I've got stuff to make a stew. I've got a couple hamburgers, one I had earlier. I'm just gonna put one in the stew now. I got a potato, half that, half a carrot, some garlic, some onion, and I got some bread too. Just soak it all in. And I'll probably put a little bit of beer in there too. Just thicken up, whatever, you know. But and butter too, lots and lots of butter. So yeah, we're just gonna get cooking, yeah. Say what you wanna say. Hey, here we go. We got a little bit of butter. Right in. Just gonna keep this fire going.
Put like 2 or 3 of those in.
Put
Not that one.
those.
Those will be good for now.
A couple little ones in there.
That's good for now. Ooh, you can really hear that rain.
It's a full-on blizzard out there. It is coming down.
Yeah, we might actually get that 6 feet.
Yeah, we said it was going to be about 10 feet tonight, and here it is.
They said 6 to 12 feet, so. What are you making? Chicken cutlets, Tommy?
I'm making a little bit of stew. I don't get that reference. I don't watch football myself. We're going to get this simmering. This is garlic. This is garlic and a lot of butter. A lot of butter. You guys, listen. When you're out here camping, listen for real, okay? When you're out here camping in the winter, oh, butter, it's unhealthy. No, you need it. It's fat. It's going to keep you going. You better eat.
It goes good in your big belly.
Listen, you guys better be eating a lot of butter if you're camping in the winter, okay?
I don't have butter, but I have oil. Is that okay?
Butter. Butter. Listen, it's going to keep you warm. If you're camping in the winter, eat a lot of butter, okay? Do it for me. Half of this is going in because we got some dinner for later. Slicing this onion. Here we go. Wha-bam! Potato. Wha-bam! That's a meat patty right there. Yeah, it is. Wha-bam! Never, never, don't forget. I would never forget the Old Bay, baby. Oh, the smell. I wish you could smell what I'm smelling. Smoke, the steam, the rice is ready.
Old Bay.
Hey! This stew will put hair on your chest. Yeah, I'll tell you that. This will make you a man. I'm gonna add the carrots and potatoes now. So this isn't sponsored, but Open L, if you want to, please do. But the Open L is a great cook camp knife, but I kind of want these carrots to be at an angle.
Oh, long carrots. Call them long carrots.
I want the carrots to be long style. Hey, Mom, look at me. I'm cooking with carrots. And it's getting a little too short. I'm scared I'm going to cut myself, so I'm just going to eat the rest. It's been baked, guys. It's a baked potato. Yo, ready?
Yeah.
This is going to soak up a lot of that juice. Here we go with the beer. Get ready. We're getting ready to thicken this stew up a little bit here. We're going to add this rice. My mistake. I don't know. I just forgot to keep an eye on it. This rice got a little bit sticky, so I'm going to have to scrub this pot a bit. No big deal. I only plan on cooking rice in it. I'm going to put it back on for a little bit here. We're making a stew. Remember?
Just looking at that stew makes me full.
Yeah, that's the point. It's
Hey, here we are. We're hey. All right. So I'm not really hungry right now. I'm actually my big belly is stuffed. I actually ate a whole bag of Cheez-Its and a whole bag of yeah. Look at my big belly ate. My big belly is stuffed. You want to see it?
no.
So I'm doing a small. This is supposed to be like emergency food, but my whole dinner I got them over there, over here. I put my my actual food over there in that corner, so it stays cold. So I'll bring it home with me. But I just got some veggies and a couple dogs. I might only eat one of the dogs. We'll see. But these little corn things, those are good.
Eat one.
In front of you?
Okay. No.
Ooh, it tastes like corn. Today's seasoning is the blend, and I'll put a little more on.
That blend sees.
Bland. That's good season. How's that look? Good, right? As you can see, we got, speaking of good seasonings, look at that cast iron pan. Nothing stuck to that. All right. Oh my God. Oh man, dude, we got over a foot.
Oy. Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Well. Oh, there you go.
think mine is worse.
Yours is clean.
Is it?
Yeah.
When did it get cleaned off?
I don't know.